The oldest zodiacal chart is found in the Temple of Hathor, long before the Greeks and Romans had a culture and history. The ancient Egyptians called it Ionet, and the science for it is called solar biology. The zodiac of Denderah is the first sky map that displays all the constellations in a circular formation or revolutionary cycle. Solar biology was created by Thoth or Tahuti, who gave the deity Khnum the formula to shape humans on a potter's wheel. The zodiac of Denderah moves in the counterclockwise direction known as revolution. Their astrological chart uses the evolution cycle or the reverse direction of Denderah. Now, when the child is born, the baby turns in the womb and it passes through each of the houses and constellations of Ionet until the house you're to be born under is determined, allowing you to come into Earth's environment during one of the four seasons. Solar biology also explains how each parent passes down 33 1/3 of their chromosomes into you, and the 33 1/3 of the chromosome that makes up the sign you were born under means that each person was born with three signs equally manifesting in their character. In the center of Denderah is the hippopotamus goddess called Taweret, and she is the goddess of childbirth. She also represents the mitochondria DNA. This is why the Greeks who invaded Egypt as the Hyksos hated the hippopotamus, because she was the center of the zodiac. They also hated women because they were interested in the same sex. Even the word horoscope used for their natal charts and astrological chart comes from the Egyptian deity Hor or Horus, which means Horus who scopes the stars. The ancient Egyptians used solar biology because this is the science of how the sun, galaxies, and constellations affected and interacted with the biological structure of the human body. Solar comes from the word sun and is used for your birth sign, and biology is used for your genetic makeup. What other societies and cultures use today is called lunar astrology. When you live by their zodiac and astrological signs called lunar astrology instead of solar biology, you give them power to control your fate and rule over you. That's because you're basically saying you're being ruled by the animals of the zodiac and by the Greeks and Romans. The rule of the animal kingdom is called Zu-En. Zu-En or Zone phonetically means in the zoo. In dyslexia, it's called Enzu. Enzu is also a demon who was a Hindu and part reptilian in Sumerian history, who stole the tablets of destiny from the god Enlil. The word zodiac comes from the Greek word zodiakos, which means circle of animals. The Greeks took their mythology from the Egyptian mystery system based on facts and mixed it in with Hinduism and called it lunar astrology. Some of the tools of lunar astrology used today are tarot cards, seances, palm readers, and Ouija boards. Whether it's the Vedic zodiac, Chinese zodiac, or Greek and Hindu zodiac, the Egyptian zodiacal system in the Temple of Hathor predates all of theirs because Africans are genetically older than all other cultures and civilizations.